Welcome to another teachable moment for football officials. In this bite-sized edition, we're going to have a look at some mechanics on an extra point. It could also apply on a field goal, but in this case, it's an extra point. We'll talk primarily about mechanics, and this applies to the referee and the three deep. So basically, the officials behind the defensive side of the ball in the middle of the field. So let's have a look at this play that I've found. And initially, we're going to be looking at the back judge lined up right over here. So the ball is tipped, and he ends up doing a tip signal. Now, this tip signal is very useful on tipped passes, but on tipped kicks, it is actually counterproductive because even though the ball is now touched by the defense, it is still untouched by beyond the line of scrimmage, which means it still dies when it hits the grass in the end zone, which means it really hasn't been tipped. It hasn't been touched. So this signal, especially if it's done by the side judge or the umpire, will only serve to confuse the deep official, especially the back judge who is in charge of killing the play. If he sees a tipped signal, he can't kill the play because in his mind the ball has been touched. So on kicks, don't do the tipped signal. Now the second part of this is the other official behind the or under the post. Now if it's a block kick or fake kick, we know that both these officials are supposed to run out towards the sideline. In this situation, however, he is a little fast. Even though the ball is blocked, it can still go through the uprights. So even though we have to be ready to react and move out towards the sideline, you could give it another second or two before you move, because we have to be absolutely certain that the ball will not go through the uprights before we leave our goalposts. And that was it for this edition. So as always, thank you for watching.